Now let us return to Eeyore. Now that we've finally got them all. This was very awkward. There's quite a lot to do here.
It sure is pretty with all the colors back, if you like that sort of thing.
What? What? The heck?
Oh no, looks like we've got visitors.
But it's too dark. We can't see anything at all.
Maybe we should light the candles.
What a good idea, Eeyore. I'll go ask Roo to lend us his lamp.
Are you kidding? Yes, after you get those flipping colors, you then need to go back to Roo and get the flipping candle he has. Okay. Back we go to Roo. This is so awkward. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got company. Not for long. That takes care of him. Oh, there he is. I got you now, mates. Strike one, you're out. That takes care of them. Flipping annoying heffalumps. So now that's dealt with, let us proceed. Let's go speak to Roo and get ourselves a candle, apparently. I actually had a feeling that candle was going to come into this. I just didn't think it would take this long.
Roo, you think I might borrow your lamp?
Sure, Piglet.
Thank you.
Piglet, I think I'm gonna go home. It's just too dark in here. Good luck.
Well.
And so Roo very kindly gave his oil lamp to his good friend Piglet.
That was easy. At least there's no quest to go around to get the candle. Oh dear. Uh-oh. Oh boy. They're here. That scared you to death. Grab that, they get far, far, far away. Turn around and let him have it. And down he goes. That was easy. Now let's go down here. And now we gotta go light those candles. No enemies here. I'm thankful for that, to be honest. Right, now then. Let's deal with these candles, shall we? There's one. And on the other side is two. Candles lit.
Thanks, Piglet, for lighting the room again.
Oh, you!
My, what do we have here? You may have frightened me last time, but that won't happen again. Try to frighten me. Go ahead. Woo! I'm so scared.
Are you serious? Didn't you learn your lesson after last time? Wow! This guy actually is an idiot! And down he goes! Yeah, that was it. That was all it took. What? What the heck? There was a trap door there? Oh. Oh, wow. Uh-oh. Oh, it's a boss again. Uh-oh. This guy means business. Got ya! And again! And again! We got you! You're finished, mate. What? Do we have to go deeper? Are you serious? If you insist... Wait, are we having to do this for all three colours? We've done blue, now we're on red. And then we gotta do another one for yellow. Are you serious? Oh, it's one of these trio of bosses again. Seriously? Well, we're gonna try this and hopefully not screw this up. You're going down, mate. You're going down. And that takes care of this bloke. Let's just grab this. And let us dive down into the third one. I don't believe this. They're doing it again. A trio of enemies you gotta beat, just one at a time. Okay, here we go, the last one now. Oh, jeez. Okay, let's slay him. Let's do it! Taking down time again. You scared of me? You should be. And there we go. We have defeated all three of them. What? No. Hang on. How are we going further? How are we going down even further? What? That doesn't even make sense!
Oh, Eeyore, it's only you.
Sorry to have frightened you. Seems to happen a lot.
Oh, no, it's all right. I'm very happy to see you.
Well, thanks for saying it. I want to thank you, Piglet. You brought the colors back in my dream. You lit the candles again. And because of you, There are no more heffalumps in my house.
Oh yeah!
Because of me, Eeyore?
Yup, and you did it all just to help me. Thanks for cheering me up, Piglet.
You're welcome, Eeyore.
And so it was.
But
that
I
Piglet
missed the
proved
cookie in
yet
this
again
flipping
that
room.
despite the obstacles,
I'll have
and
to go hunt
despite
it down
his fears,
when I go back
if you
to
wish
this.
hard enough for something, you can make your wish come true.
Having all the colors back kinda turns a gray day sunny. Thanks for your help, Piglet.
It's raining. Oh, my carrots. My carrots!
And a little bit of tea. Oh, my stripes. My wonderment dignified stripes.
Oh. My carrots. My carrots.
So yeah, we've done Eeyore's dream. I missed a cookie. I have to go back to that to get it. But yeah, now Rabbit and Tigger have fallen asleep. They are the other two we gotta do. Next time on the Let's Play a Piglet's Big Game, we go to do Eeyore's dream again to beat the enemies and get the cookie I missed if I can find it. And then we move on to Rabbit's dream. See you guys next episode.